They can't wait to get to the house.
Look at my life. When I think of how I got here,
God is speaking. And I don't know,
come to a
you may not even be in here, but if you in here and you listen to this later, sometime I'll put a couple of things out. Let me help you. If the servant you got that blessing from, the servant you got that blessing from, you go back and you bless that servant. You go back and you thank God, because God's talking to me. You thank God for that servant who you received the unction from, the direction from, to receive the blessing you got. Don't you dare go and get a blessing from a servant who labored for you and go down the street and go and prophesy and go and give the blessing to a servant who didn't labor. That is not right. You will have your reward, and I can promise you this: what you got, you will not have it long. The Bible says, "Give honor to whom honor is due."